Somebody out there in Readerland, let us know if we're facing the right.
Yes, we are.
All right. This is our business. We've had this for 29 years, and we're not going to give up the ship without a fight. Carol and John's Comic Book Shop is a 29-year-old brick and mortar comic book shop located within the city of Cleveland. The Carol of the comic shop is my mom.
It's a family business.
We are a brick and mortar store. We do not do online sales. Comic book shops are not just about selling comic books. They're community hubs. We're giving people a place to come where they feel accepted no matter what. Once the COVID happened, within a day's notice, we were shut down. This is what's left of the Carol and John's Comic Book Shop staff. Once your revenue stream is cut off, it's a completely different equation that you've never looked at before. Salaries, utilities, rent, we were essentially bleeding money. What are we going to do next? How long is this going to go on? One of my top priorities was trying to keep my 2 full-time employees. They've been around 10, 20 years. I could trust those boys, and beyond that, I need them around. I need them here to run this place. We wanted to find a way to connect with our customers. So we basically built a Facebook Live studio in my house. My wife thought I was crazy. She's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I just have to do something. I don't know if this is the right thing to do. I don't know if it's a good idea." I couldn't just sit there and let the business go down. I said, we have to try something. Welcome to our first ever Facebook Live sale. We had never used video to its full advantage before, so we were not technically familiar with how to do it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these books down and tell you a little bit about each book, and I'm going to drop the price on them. At that point, the first person to say claim for it will get that book. It evolved over the course of the weeks that we would do them, but it turned out to be a really great idea. Harlan Ellison wrote it too, who's known for writing the story that Roddenberry based Star Trek on. He also met Mom at one point, and they got along splendidly. Doing it perfect did not matter at all. You just got to get yourself in front of the camera. It might look classy, but there's a mattress up against the wall over here, so. We would do just one a week because we had to figure out a billing system, and we were at a 95% sellout rate by about the 3rd week of doing them. Thank you for everybody. I saw so many members of our community in that feed interacting with each other and talking just like they were in my store. Hi, Zach. There's a delay here. There's Matt. It wasn't just about making money. It was about holding our community together. They needed that escape that they got from the comic shop each week, and they would tune in. They would tune in, and they would purchase books, and they would support the shop. We were able to keep our 2 employees for the entire time that we were shuttered.
We'll be here during store hours, so please feel free to call with any suggestions.
And I have to believe that keeping my 2 employees around helped the transition to reopening the store. Now that we're reopened, we use Facebook Live every week to show all our new releases that hit our new comic book table.
This right here is my pick of the week.
Each week, I also do a state of the store address. Hey, and welcome to the C&J Comics News Desk for Wednesday, July 8th. We finally started using Facebook Live to its full advantage. It was holding our community together, but we found new people popping in out of nowhere, and they became really good customers now. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you. You're keeping your business open for your family, for yourself, for your customers. In no way am I the hero of this equation. The staff are the heroes for continuing to work through this. The community are the heroes for supporting us during this.
What can we take away from John's example? 1, video works. Live video on Facebook generate more audience engagement than still images. 2, be authentic. There's no need for a highly polished production. Your customers want to see you. 3, if you give to your community, they will give back to you. John always prioritized building community, and when he needed them the most, they came through for him. Check out the links in the episode description for more detailed tips and tricks. See you next time.